Good evening, this is Jan, back with another product review from the Samyang company from Korea. These are Buldak Spicy Tteokbokki. Now these are not noodles, no, they are rice cakes, a popular street food in Korea, and of course Samyang made its own instant version of this dish. Why not? I'm curious. Here we got the two ingredients, the tteokbokki rice cakes and the buldak sauce, spicy chicken flavor. I read the instructions carefully, so basically nothing can go wrong. It's very simple. The rice cakes in the bowl, along with the buldak sauce. Then you pour hot water up to the line, straight into the microwave. 2.5 minutes on high heat. During the process in the microwave, something did go wrong a little bit. It's a little bit messy, but anyway, it's gonna be okay. I got no clue what went wrong inside the microwave, but just have to stir it and then it's gonna be ready. Maybe the water was just too hot because I put boiling water in there, but on the package it said just hot water. Whatever. Let's try this. Yeah, typical rice cake flavor, and the typical, put the spoon in there, buldak flavor, but slightly sweet, spicy for sure, but also sweet. Because that's the rice cakes, you know. They are sweet. They have that flavor. Chewy stuff. I really love that sauce. Typical buldak chicken spice. There's also chili paste used in this. And you can taste this. That is nice. Oh yeah, I feel the spice on the tongue already. This might look like a small portion, but it's filling. I love the combination of sweetness and spiciness, really. Oh yeah, very unique. Quite spicy this is. I love it. I poured myself a beer. This is a triple hop Citra from Duvel from Belgium. Quite a strong IPA. Hops, a little bitterness, tropical fruits. That must be nice with these tteokbokki. Yes, now that is refreshing. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. And remember, keep on enjoying your food like I do.